When the children want me for sing coming up yonder too.
Resolution of Charleston County Council proclaiming the week of July 30 through August 7, 2016 as Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week, whereas Charleston County is one of the oldest counties in South Carolina, and in the 18th century, Charleston County and South Carolina coast became the locale of some of the richest rice plantations in the South, which were linked to specific West African ethnic groups who became known as the Gullah Geechee. And whereas the Gullah Geechee civilization originated in West Africa, its people coming to the United States as slaves to work on rice plantations, specifically in the coastal regions, including South Carolina. And with their African fair, original language, and craftsmanship, the Gullah Geechee people left their mark on southeastern South Carolina. And whereas the Gullah Geechee culture has had a powerful impact on the low country of South Carolina, including Charleston County, and these Gullah Geechee influences have helped to define our southern lifestyle and culture. And whereas the preservation and celebration of the Gullah Geechee culture has gained momentum due to the Gullah Geechee Cultural Heritage Act, created by United States Representative James Clyburn, as well as the efforts of others such as Queen Webb, chiefess of the Gullah Geechee Nation, and Kwame Shah, co-founders of the International Gullah Geechee Nation Celebration and the annual Gullah Geechee Nation Music and Movements Festival. And whereas it is appropriate to recognize the importance of bringing awareness and appreciation for this rich culture and history in order to increase understanding of all the contributions the Gullah Geechee have given to our area. Now therefore be it resolved that Charleston County Council does hereby recognize the 2016 Gullah Geechee Nation International Music and Movement Festival and proclaim the week of July 30 to August 7, 2016 as Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week in Charleston County, and encourages its citizens to participate in educational activities aimed to increasing both knowledge and appreciation of this rich culture. Charleston County Council, Day, Sunday Chairman. Thank you.
Good evening, everybody out yonder. Good evening, Council. Glad to be here one more again this evening. When I first get in here, when a woman asked me for say thank you, I said, well, you need a me for saying for 100 just see on the sound. She said, oh, I ain't thought I've been saying right. So glad to be here this evening. It looks like this should be a Gullah Geechee Council meeting. Singing and on true. I'm ready for Charleston. So glad to be here in Charleston one more time, as we say in the chuck. And so thank you to all the honor for participating in all of these years. I'm going to leave with the clerk a few flyers because we want to be right here one more day at the Charleston Maritime Center. So on August 6th, that Saturday, y'all don't have to go in all the traffic I had to go through to get here. All right, y'all can come on down to the water, shout a little while. We're going to have a little bit of Gullah Geechee food for your nap on and all of that. So if I know the county council members coming, we got VIP seating for you and everything. You ain't have to be in the back of the room. I did in the back of the room because I go get right out the door and get back in the traffic and get back home. But it is a blessing, and Charleston, I love Charleston. Charleston is my home away from home. I'm a native of St. Helena Island. My mother came up the creek with me this evening and everything to be here this time so she could finally see what y'all have me up here doing all the time. But it's a blessing to be honored here in the county and to have the work that we're doing to keep our culture alive honored here too. And in regard to your roads, the roads aren't bad. You got too many people on them. Too many. Okay? It's not the roads. It's too many folks. All right? But as we said, we've been here and we're in the ground and we're tall. So please continue to vote to keep Gullah Geechee people here in Charleston County, even with all the people that are coming here to love our legacy that exists throughout this souls that are of the soul. So thank you one more again. Y'all have a good evening. And if y'all want to follow us at Gullah Geechee, and you'll keep up with all the activities for Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation. Peace and blessings. Thank you.